So we've arrived safely in Morzine. Really great drive actually from Les Arcs down into Annecy. We've been stand-up paddleboarding. We've had a really great guided tour of the city, which is really interesting. Now we've driven up to Morzine. Now I've not been here in 2006, so however long ago that was, 12 years, 13 years. And it's changed a lot and also not changed at all. So we've come to a place that was one of my regular drinking places back in the day, called Bar Robinson, and very glad to say it hasn't changed at all, which is brilliant. But it does a beer called Mutzig, which is very famous in these parts for being very potent. They only sell it in halves on purpose because it's so strong, and it's just as good as ever. So we've literally just arrived. We've been here about 20 minutes. We've checked into the hotel. The guys there are really, really lovely. We've come straight into town because it's sort of 10 to 8 already, and we've only got until tomorrow afternoon. So I think there's a mountain bike competition on tomorrow, so we're going to try and catch some of that, maybe grab some bikes ourselves and head out. But we'll see what we get up to here.
Good morning from Morzine, and this is the final stop on our trip, and the weather is looking beaut already. It's about 8:30, so we're just getting ourselves sorted and enjoying a little view from our hotel room, which, as you can see, is quite wonderful. Very pretty. Look at the pool. This is our hotel. Very, very pretty. And a perfect location. And I'm ready for some breakfast. Oh yeah.
It's open. It all slides back. Good morning. So we've come down to breakfast here at our hotel in Morzine, and we're actually the only ones here, which, when I show you around, it's just incredible. So we've come down for our breakfast. There's only Anna and I. Annie's right here. Smile. You could be a badass like this. You don't want to be a badass like this, do you?
I can be a badass. I think I'd like to get good at hiking.
How can you be bad at hiking?
Quite easily. I'd say you could be bad.
Oh, it is toasty.
It's good.
So we've just been up the Plenny side, which is just behind me, and got some awesome drone footage. We're now walking over the bridge, which is linking the two sides of the valley in the town. Weather is incredible, it's over 30 degrees. We're about to head up the Super Morzine lift, which is just here.
Oh, that's cool.
But what I just wanted to show you, and he's just here, what I just wanted to show you is as we head over this bridge, which links the two sides of the valley, there's like a forest down here in the middle, loads of activities, and then also directly below us is the sports centre. So there's ice skating and ice hockey in the winter, and in the summer,
Whoa! There's even a flume! I know you said there's flume.
there's a 50-metre pool, kids pool, a water slide, beach volleyball. You can go rafting down this river just here, and then on the other side there's an indoor pool. This is the ice rink.
Whoa.
And then there's a big skate park, there's a pump track, there's tennis, there's five-a-side football, and all in this incredible basin of the Morzine Valley. So a little bit later we're going to head up in between these two mountains just here, and that's going to take us up to the Lac de Montréal. But for now we're going to go up the Super Morzine lift, which is the one you can see running just past me, and we'll show you the view from up there. Come out of Super Morzine, which is just behind us. You can see the Morzine area.
Someone's blown off. Sorry.
This is obviously a ski run in the summer. You can see the snow cannons. In the summer it's a mountain bike piste, I suppose you'd call it.
Yeah.
There's a lot of mountain bike tracks that run all through the woods. We've got some about 10 grand's worth of bikes hanging off the back of our chairlift.
Yeah.
And we're going to go up and see some sights, see what's going on up at the top of here. It's called Linderay, and then we're going to head back down into town, grab the car, and head up to Lac Montréal. So we're going to pack in an awful lot into just a few hours, to show you how much you can do if you've only got one day in Morzine.
One day in Morzine. It's so weird getting off this stuff. I just run.
Come up there. Where the barbecue is. So those are the runs down that we were just looking at, and that was the one that we said was nice and easy. Look. So the green one would run all the way, all the way down, and then you could get the cabin back down.
Yeah, let's go up top and... Bye.